Hi, everyone. This is Randy McKinley with the company Doctors, and I wanted to share with you one of our part of our DICE series, our facilities overhead diagnostic, or we call it a MRI. So let me share with you how this works. It's a great tool to go look at your business to see where you're sitting, and it'll go red, green, and pings you versus the industry. All right, let's check it out. All right, here's our facility overhead calculator. A couple things you're going to go need is you will need your P&L for your business, but it's not too difficult. So what we have here is just pick your industry, whatever it may be. Come on down. How many employees? This is a real company. We just filled it in, and this was 164,000 revenue that month net. And you can see here was the rent, their utilities, their maintenance, insurance, keep going, compliance, security, waste. Don't want to bore you, but we filled in all those details. Does not have to be perfect like any other overhead. Could have put in $300. It wasn't important. And what's interesting down here is we put in the really what you call a really optimized business, the thing from retail all the way to fulfillment. So you could see kind of where you should be sitting. And then here's the breakdown by the key categories. Once you fill in the yellow, you go to the second tab and look at that. It will break down your business and you will see, oh, wow, this one they're 28%. Really, the industry is 25. That's at a high. And that's the peak, depending on what it may be for the category. And then down here, we put some action items if you're green, and there's some action items that you need to do if you're red. Cash flow, stress testing, facility cost allocator. There's some other KPIs, and our dashboard would make sense. But great tool to take a look at your business, see if you are leaking money. Easy to use, fill in the blank, and then if you got some questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to review it with you, complimentary, and enjoy. And if you're want to see more, we come to our website, thecompany.doctors.com, drs.com, and you will see many more of our MRIs, which are available for you to download and go use.